Well, looks like we got a lot of work here, folks. This is the blizzard of 2011, February 2nd. You can see this snow is so high. I don't know what. It's going to take a lot of work to get out of this. That's what the front door looks like. People are digging out. There's Kevin with his heavy duty snowblower. He's coming over here to help me in a little while. Like I said before, that's what people in Chicago do. We take care of each other. Kevin's a great guy. He's a great neighbor, like my buddy Eddie over there. Look at that drift over there, man. That is a nice sized drift there. That might be 3.5, 4 feet there. It's nothing like having a heavy duty snowblower. But even this little one does the job. If you do it inch by inch, it's a cinch, a little bit at a time. Let's hit it, folks. Well, that wasn't too bad. Actually, it was a lot of fun.